Welcome to Milltown Threads, weaving together stories from our past, presented by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today, what is a mill town anyway? A mill town or a factory town? When someone wants to build a factory to make things, to manufacture products to sell, first they buy some property along a river where the water is running really fast. Then they build a dam. The dam is going to hold back lots of water, so they have enough water when it's needed to turn the wheels and create the power. The water is now behind the dam going to form a lake and hold back a lot of water until it's needed. Next, they usually build a bridge across the river so they can get from one side to the other. Then they build their factory. As the factory grows, more and more workers are needed. Often the owner of the factory or the company may build some company houses to rent to the workers. A nearby railroad is important. The railroads bring the raw materials in eastern Connecticut. That might be cotton bales. Bring the cotton bales to the mill town and take away the finished product. Successful factories will add more buildings to hold more machines. The workforce will increase, so the factory owner might even build more worker houses, sometimes called row houses. The boss is now making a good money, will build a mansion on the hill for his family. In the 1800s, the bosses and the owners were usually all males. Sometimes they will build a company store that they can use to sell food and clothing to the mill workers. So this is a mill town, and in eastern Connecticut, many of them made textiles, cotton, wool, silk, cloth, and thread. And that's a mill town.